Welcome everybody to Adobe Illustrator Tutorial 1, setting up for a final presentation layout. When you open your Adobe Illustrator program, you can go to File, New, or Create New. Think about what you want for your final format. For us usually it will be a print version. Select the size of the document that you're looking for. Convert your units to millimeters and select the orientation. Select Create. Once you've created your initial page layout, you might choose to set as two A3 sheets. So if you wanted to include more tile boards, you could do it this way. I'm naming mine and I'm going to select more artboards and then select Create. You can see here the first one only has one artboard, the second one we have two A3s. Perhaps your format for your two A3s might want to be a vertical format. You could do that by changing the orientation, keeping your two artboards, A3 format, and Create. So it's really up to you what you're wanting. Perhaps your two A3s could be above each other. Think about the types of visuals that you're going to be presenting and think about your final layout.